Hey guys, Phil again. Welcome to video 3. Now I said I wouldn't do a video on content, but I've had that many people actually in my coaching club asking me to do a specific video on content, because I know a lot of you will probably be like me in the online space, and you want to help people by showing them how to create an online business. You might necessarily have like an offline business or a specific community as such, because if you have, then content isn't a problem, is it? It's all in your head and it's what you're passionate about, and you can bang out content all the time. But if you're just sort of starting off, where do you find the content? So here we go. All right, we've all got access to the same sort of resources online, haven't we? Google, Yahoo, Bing, everything. Okay, so it's never been easier to actually fill up your page with content. So here's the thing, right? Decide on what your page is about. I know it sounds crazy, I know it sounds fundamental, but please do that, because I see too many people sort of jumping from, say you've got a dog blog, for example. I've got a dog blog, and it's about a specific breed. Now it's very easy to jump from breed to breed to, you think, okay, there's only so much I can write about this particular breed, but there's other things I can write about Labradors, for example. Okay, so I have a page like nearly 400,000 likes about a specific dog breed, and you're tempted to go in there and write about any other breed, but it sends the wrong message to your fans, to your likes. So try and be congruent. So here's the thing. Let's just use this as an example. If you're in the business opportunity space, you want to show people how to create a business online, and part of that could be email marketing, for example, because email marketing is a huge thing. I'm going to show you that inside of the coaching club anyway. So let's look at email marketing. Okay, so where do you start? What do you write about email marketing? Well, the good thing to do is just go to Google and type in something like top 5. Always use a number, okay? Top 3, top 5, top 7. Don't do top 100. Nobody wants to read the top 100 because it just means more time. All right, so top 3, top 5, top 7, even top 10. Okay, so top 5 email. Here's one. Email subject lines. Okay, so you can put in something like that. Top 5 email subject lines. The best email subject line styles to increase your open rates. I like that because it's not a specific email subject line, because we all have different subjects, we all have different businesses, but we all have the same subject line style. Okay, and that's important. So what I would do is I would copy this, right? And then I would go over to the blog post and I'd read it. I'd see what it's all about. Don't just send them to any old crap. Okay, WordStream I know is a good resource, so I'd have no problem sending people here. This is the thing. You can do one or two things. You can read through this and you can take little snippets and put your own spin on it. All right, do not copy, please, and say that it's yours. That's just nasty. All right, that's just stealing. All right, Megan Mars here has done all the work, so give her the credit she deserves, please. All right. I've seen this before anyway. This is a really, really good blog post. So I'd have no problem sending people straight over to this blog post. Okay, that's the lazy way of doing it, but it's also the quickest. So this is what you would do. You go back over to Phil's test page, for example. Okay, paste in the headline. All right, the 9 best email subject lines to increase your open rates, ... Okay, just do something like that. Then you go back over to the actual blog post and you copy the URL. It's as simple as that. Copy the URL, go back over to your page, all right, and just paste it in there. And watch, it'll sort of bring in the it'll bring in the images, all right, and the snippet, as we call it. Okay, this is the snippet, and there's all the images. Now that doesn't really resonate. That's probably Megan there, but nobody really knows Megan. So what you can do is you can scroll along and select an image that might make sense. Hurry, 50% off, sale ends today. Yeah, that might work. something like that. No, that wouldn't really, might work. Headlines, that would work. Okay, so I would select either that or maybe that. Okay, let's go for a nice bright one. Let's go for that. So what you can do is just to tidy up the post as well. Once it's sort of sucked in the content from the blog post on WordStream, you can actually take off that ugly looking URL. All right, and then just again, you can schedule. If you want to schedule it, you can schedule it for any time you want. You can do all your blog posts on a certain day every week, which I would definitely recommend, because you do forget to write content, and that's the thing. Social, okay, I mean, social platforms are all about being social. You have to share stuff regularly, and when people see things regularly, once a day at a specific time, then they look out for your stuff. Really, I mean, that's a top tip. Okay, so if you can't schedule it, but schedule it for the same time every day. So do all your blog posts, dead easy, dead easy. You don't have to stress about this thing at all. Okay, but we're just gonna click publish. And watch how good this looks. Bingo. Look at this. Look, nice big photo. Okay, 9 best email subject line styles. All right, so whenever anybody clicks on that, watch where they go. They obviously go over to WordStream. Okay, so you're not stealing content, you're actually sending people over to WordStream. So WordStream would be quite happy with that, wouldn't they? Yeah, because they're getting free traffic. But the thing is, yeah, it's just an easy way to put on your 5 initial posts on your Facebook page. It's an easy way, all right? Now, the harder way is to actually write, you know, to go to this WordStream article and pick things out of it. Yeah, don't copy it. Don't just copy it, right? And click copy and then go over to your page and paste and claim that it's you, because that's unethical. All right? But just have a look at this. Have a look at this this blog post and take bits out of it and put it in your own words. All right? That's the best way to do it. But it obviously takes longer than the way I've just shown you, okay? And you can literally do this for anything. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, just do it for anything. But the main thing is get out there and do it. Stop putting in content on your page, because I tell you what, see, in 3 to 6 months, you will be delighted that you found this video course, okay? You'll be delighted, and providing you take action, yeah, you will be very happy indeed, because you'll see your page grow, you'll see your business grow, all right? You'll see your confidence grow, and you'll see your smile grow as well, okay? So see you in the next video, and hope you enjoyed this. Take care.